What's good, y'all? T in this thing. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a preset in Lightroom. Let's get it. Alright, so to make a preset in Lightroom, it's literally super easy. It's only like a couple of steps. Alright, so first steps, just go ahead and edit the photo how you want. So on this ink picture, you know, say I wanted to bring the highlights up, maybe drop the shadows, make it real vibrant. This isn't really how I would edit the photo, but just to show you how to add the presets, I'm just gonna go ahead and make some corrections. I don't know, let's go ahead and kind of change the color. Let's add some color to the highlights. And let's just add a vignette. I know this picture looks bad. I'm just really trying to show you so we can get to the preset part. So say this is what you wanted your corrections to look like and you wanted to save that preset because that's how you always edit your photos. So just go up here to develop and new preset. It's gonna bring you to this page here. So obviously on group you see my name because that's where I put my presets, but just go ahead and select this, new group. We'll just do new LUT. Create, and then obviously you'll change the name to whatever you want, so we can just do like LUT 1. And then under here on settings, any corrections that you just made, if you want those to transfer over when you actually make the preset, you'll select. So for example, if you didn't want the sharpening on there, you'll remove sharpening, or you know, you didn't want the contrast and shadows, whatever you want, just deselect the ones that you don't want and select the ones that you do. And then just pretty much hit create, and then you see right here it added the new LUT. So now we can click on, you know, another picture. I'll go ahead and remove all type of edits. I didn't even edit this right here. Go to your folder, LUT, boom, there it goes. And again, we can erase all of that, you know, make some random corrections. We'll just do that. Develop, new preset. We can do LUT 2. It's in the new preset folder. We selected what we wanted to do. Create. Now we can go back to this one, erase all those corrections in the folder, LUT 2, boom. Ooh, that looks horrible. That looks absolutely horrible. But that's how you make a preset. Simple as that. So next time when you're editing, you know, your photos and you're sick and tired of trying to go through each and every one, try to make them look like, or you have like, you know, a certain look that you're going for each time, now all you have to do is make a preset, use them on your pictures. But all right, y'all, don't forget to do all the things, the liking, the subscribing, the commenting. All right, y'all, I'm out.